Hello everyone, welcome to solve this nice math Olympiad problem. So here we have this is cos x is equals to 2 and we solve this problem for all the values of x. But here you remember one thing is that our x must be a complex number. It means that we solve this problem for only complex values of x. Here the very first thing we are going to do is first we use here the nice Euler's formula. You know about that. If we have e to the power of iota x plus e to the power of minus iota x divided by 2 is equals to cos of x. So from here we need to simplify the terms, and here we just multiply on both of the sides by 2. So we substitute this value of Euler's function, Euler formula, into the given question statement, so that our above equation is written as this will becomes e to the power of iota x plus e to the power of minus iota x divided by 2 is equals to 2. And further here we move this 2 to the right hand side, and this will becomes here 4, and we have e to the power of iota x plus here you see that this is e to the power of minus iota x. When we move it into the downside, its exponent becomes positive, and this 2 times 2 becomes here 4. So here we need to take the LCM of this value. So its LCM becomes e to the power of iota x. So e to the power of iota x times e to the power of iota x becomes e to the power of 2 iota x plus 1 is equals to, this is 4 times of e to the power of iota x. 4, this is 4 only. When we move this value to the right hand side, then it will be written here. So we rewrite this equation as, here we write e to the power of 2 iota x as e to the power of iota x and its whole square plus 1 is equal to, we move this value to the right hand side and it will becomes 4 times of e to the power of iota x. And further we move the term from right hand side to the left hand side, and it will becomes e to the power of iota x whole square minus, this is 4 times of e to the power of iota x plus 1, and this whole equation is equals to 0. So here we need to convert this exponential equation into the simple algebraic form. So for this we will just take here y is equals to e to the power of iota x. So when we choose y equals e to the power of iota x, so that our above equation is written as in this form. So we substitute this value here, it will becomes y square minus 4 times of y plus 1, and this whole equation is equals to 0. So in the next step we need to solve this quadratic equation, and here we use the quadratic formula to solve this quadratic equation. For this, first we write the coefficients of this equation, and its coefficients are a equals to 1, b equals to minus 4, and c equals to 1. And we state the quadratic formula as y equals to minus b plus minus square root of b square minus 4 times of ac divided by 2 times of a. This is our quadratic formula, and here we substitute all the values of a, b, and c. And when we substitute all these values, it will be written as y equals to, this is minus b, minus times minus becomes plus 4, and plus minus square root of b square. B is minus 4, and minus 4 square becomes 16, minus 4 times of a is 1 and c is 1, and it is divided by 2 times of a, and here our a is also equals to 1. Further we need more simplifications, and we have, this is 4 plus minus square root of 16 minus 4 divided by 2. So further we have, this is 4 plus minus 16 minus 4 becomes 12 divided by 2. And further we need more simplifications, and we have, this is 4 plus minus, we write this 12 as 4 times 3, and it is divided by 2. And in the next step we have y is equals to, we break this fraction and we write it as 4 divided by 2 plus minus. Here you see that square root of 4 becomes 2 times of square root of 3, and it is divided by 2. And further we have y is equals to, this is 2 times 2 becomes 4, we get 2 plus minus, this 2 and 2 are also gone, and we get here square root of 3. So we obtain these are the two values of y, but now we back substitute the value of y, and in the start of the problem we will take our y is equals to e to the power of iota x is equals to 2 plus minus square root of 3. So here in order to find the general solution or all solutions, we just add here the term 2n pi iota. This term is added only when because of to find all the solutions of this equation. When you choose our n is an integer, a positive integer, when you choose n positive integer, then you get all solutions of this equation. So further here, in order to find the value of x, we need to remove this exponential value here. So we need some working into the right hand side, and we write our right hand side as in the form of log and anti-log. So we write this value as e to the power of log of 2 plus minus square root of 3 plus 2 and pi iota. And now here you see that this e and e are gone, and we get here iota x is equals to log of 2 plus minus square root of 3 plus 2 and pi iota. So for the values of x, we need to move this iota value to the right hand side. So this will be written as in this form. We have x is equals to 1 over iota times of log 2 plus minus square root of 3 plus 2 and pi iota. These are the final solution of this equation, and this is the final answer. And thank you so much for watching this video. Please subscribe to my channel for more exciting videos.